I'm so tired, but I'm gonna change. I'm gonna rally, and I'm gonna go out for pancakes. It's New York City, baby. City that never sleeps. Okay, that sounded so lame. Just forgive me. Bye. Hey guys, you're not gonna believe this. I am in New York. So I'm here because two reasons. I have a trade show for Pancake Papery on the stationery side, and I thought I would try to hit up a couple pancake places. So today I'm very excited about this restaurant. I'm a little bit nervous to film in there, I'm not gonna lie. I'll see if I get kicked out or not. But I'm going to the Clinton Street Baking Company. You have to make reservations a couple weeks in advance. If you don't show for your reservations, they're gonna charge you for it. So yeah, and the only time I could get in with my schedule was for dinner. So I'm having pancakes for dinner. They serve pancakes all the way until 10 p.m. at night. So really excited about this. And yeah, come check it out. All right, bye. Okay, so let's talk about the food. The first thing I had was this blackberry bramble. It was gin with muddled blackberries and some lemon. Highly recommend it. It was very refreshing and delicious. But we did have to try this boozy milkshake. So good. We shared it. Very decadent. Yeah, get it if you can. Next up is a cheeseburger, and it was your classic all-American cheeseburger. Very thick patty, heavy on the meat. It was really delicious. Highly recommended as well. I have no complaints about the food here. My friend, she got the Latke Benedict, which was salmon on fried potatoes below with your egg and your hollandaise sauce. So good. And my other friend got a clubhouse sandwich. Look at the size and the portions. These are just amazing. All right, now on to the pancakes. These pancakes were so good. I mean, definitely worth the hype. You can see these blueberries from Maine they have, but they also have them in between each layer. So this is a 3-stack, super puffy, fluffy, and oh my gosh. And here we have the maple butter. I could not get enough of this. It was so good. I mean, it was such a carb overload, but it was so relaxing and so delicious. I would recommend it 10 times over. I think that this restaurant definitely lives up to its hype, and I will be back again the next time in New York. Okay, now for my review. Let's talk about the atmosphere. You know what? For me, I totally just dug this atmosphere. I imagine in the day it's bustling and busy and a vibrant brunch type of atmosphere from what I've seen, but I love the candlelight. I love just the quiet, relaxed, chill feel. It was perfect for me, and it was like just totally comfortable, and it was great. So when it comes to the atmosphere, I'm definitely giving it 5 out of 5 points. Well done. Now the price, here's a sample of some of the things that we ordered, actually all the things we ordered, and you can see the price, but listen, this is New York City, and I will tell you, when I was here, I went to Trader Joe's just to get a to-go salad and a drink, and it cost me over $10. So I think the price is actually really good for New York City. So for this reason, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 pancakes. It was very affordable, yeah, for sure. Now let's talk about the pancakes themselves. Okay, I am like over the top in love with these pancakes. They have been, out of all the pancakes that I have tried, my most favorite. They've kind of set the bar for anything else I rate after this. The blueberries were fresh. They were between each layer, the maple butter that you poured over it. It was so good. I liked it better than syrup. So I think for the pancakes, I am definitely going to have to give them a 6 out of 5 pancakes. I mean, they were so good, and they lived up to the hype completely. I just had such a good time here. The service was so good here, and it was a great first night in New York City for me. So yes, definitely go. Highly recommend. All right, well, that's it for me. If you like this content, who doesn't like pancakes? I mean, I know there's people that don't like pancakes, but if you like it and want to hear more of it and see more of it, then like and subscribe and come back every Saturday for a new Pancake Saturday video. Okay, thanks. Bye.